welcome back to your channel Computer Masti with Ganga. So today I am in the aquarium. Yes. So let's explore this aquarium. Okay, so now we are going to make this program in our Scratch software. So this fish aquarium we are going to implement in our Scratch program. Okay, so here is our program number 3. Yes. So today we are going to make fish aquarium. Yes. So using this software we will make a fish aquarium program. So first of all you can see this cat. Yes. So delete this cat. So how can we delete this? You can see here delete option. You can see these scissors. Yes. So use these scissors. Yay. Yes. So I have deleted this cat. Now go to this second star. You can see here this second option. Yes, choose new sprites from file. So click on this icon and from here you can see these different categories. So I am taking this animals category. So select this, double click on this. Now here are the different animals. Okay, these are the different sprites belongs to the animal category. So first of all select this fish 1 and click on this OK button. Here I have taken fish 1. Then again same process. Okay, we need to take all these fishes. Yes, fish A, fish B, then fish 2, then fish 3, then fish 4. So you can see here I have taken all these fishes. Yes, first step we need to take all these fishes. Now second step. So you can see here last icon, that is shrink option. Okay, so click on this shrink option and make your sprites smaller. Yes, you can make your sprites small using this shrink option. You need to select that option and just click on the particular sprite. So you can make it smaller. Yay. Yes, done. And you can make duplicates also. Yes, so you can use this duplicate option and using that you can see just, yes, you can see here this duplicate. Yes, so you can make the duplicate also. Then Now step number 3. In this step we need to write a script. Yes, we need to write a code for the sprite. Suppose here I have 9 sprites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 sprites. So for all the sprites we need to write the script. Yes. So this is our script area, you can see here. Yes, this middle portion. Yes. So first option, that is go to control block, and from here you need to take this when green flag clicked option. Okay. Yes. Now go to motion block. Yes, I am selecting this motion block. Why? Because I want to move all these fishes. Yes, I want to move all these fishes on the stage. So I am taking this move 10 steps. Then I want to move automatically. So before that, see the difference. When we click on this green flag, now see this sprite, this one. Yes, this is moving. Yes, you can see here. Okay. So right now I have selected this sprite 5. So this sprite is moving. Now click on this sprite 1. When green flag clicked, go to motion block, move 10 steps. Yes. So I want to move this fish. Yes. Now you can see these 2 fishes are moving on the stage. Yes. Now second thing, I want to move this fish automatically. Yes. So you need to use this forever loop. Yes, this forever loop will help out to move all these fishes automatically. You can see here it is moving automatically, but it is not coming back. So for that we have one magic. Yes, if on edge bounce. You can see here if on edge bounce option. Yes. Now see, my fish is moving on the stage. Yes, it is too fast now. So you can change the steps from here. So we need to take 5, or do one thing, just take 3 steps. So see the difference. Now it is moving slowly. Yes. Now while coming back, its face is downside, so click on this double-sided arrow. Okay, done. Now you can see on the stage we have 9 sprites, but only sprite 1 is moving. Why? Because I have written this code for the sprite 1. So the same code, okay, this same code we have to write for all the other sprites also. So go to sprite number 2, select this sprite 2. You can see this is blank area now. Yes, again same process. Go to control, green flag clicked, motion, move 10 steps, then control, use this forever, then motion, if on edge bounce. Now when I click on this green flag, now see, yes, fish 2 is also moving, this sprite 2 is also moving. Now you can do face only left right using this icon. Done. You can change the speed of the fish using this script. So just erase this 10 steps and I am taking 2 steps. Yes, here you can see the difference. Now see the difference beta. Yes. Okay, now for the sprite 3, same process we need to follow. Okay, so use the green flag, go to motion, move 10 steps, then use this forever, then go to motion and use if on edge bounce, and use this click on this double-sided arrow for the face left right. Yes, done. So you have to write these scripts for all these sprites. So here I have written scripts for all the sprites. So click on this green flag. Now you can see all these sprites are moving on the stage. Okay, so click on the sprite and just do this face left right, so that when they come back, so they can move just left right. Okay, then now one more thing, we need to change the steps also. So just take, suppose I am taking 1 for this sprite, I am taking 2 for this sprite, then 3 steps for this sprite, again 3 for this sprite, then again 3 for this sprite, 2 for this sprite. So you can change the parameters. So double click on that, use backspace key, erase that steps, erase those steps, and you can insert, okay, using keyboard. Yes, done. Okay, now you have noticed one thing. Suppose if I want to delete the particular sprite, so what we need to do, just we need to drag. Okay, suppose if you want to delete something now, so just drag this script towards your left hand side. You have to just keep this block palette into this blocks area. Okay, you can see here code area, just you have to leave here. Okay, if you want to delete, just you have to drag your whole script and keep it into this area. Okay, now click on the stage. Yes, this stage is so boring now. Yes, white area. Yes, so click on this stage option. From here go to backgrounds, then go to import option, and from here I am taking, yes, I am taking, we have to take the background. So where you can find that background, yes, that aquarium background, that is in this category. So you can see here, when we click on this stage option, go to backgrounds, click on this import option, and from here go to nature option. Yes, nature category we need to go. So go in this category and scroll down. From here you can see here underwater. Yes, underwater background we need to take. Done? Yes. So now if you want to make your program more effective, okay, if you want to insert sound, so we need to import sound. So here I have taken this sound from the internet. I have downloaded this sound from the internet. So you can download this sound from the internet and you can import this sound. So how to import this sound, I'll show you. Okay, so go to sound option, sound tab. From here click on this import option. Okay, you can see here import option. So click on this import option. Now I have kept my file on the desktop. So here you can see my file. Okay, this is my audio file. So I want to insert audio also. So yes, so you can see here, this is my audio. So do one thing, go to scripts. When we click this green flag, okay, use this sound. Okay, play this sound, nature aquarium, you can see here, and use this forever option. Okay, so see, yes, so you can see here, yes, Can you hear that sound? Can you hear this sound? Yes. So this is our program. Okay. Yes, if you want to use this full screen mode, switch to presentation mode, and you can see this fish aquarium. Yes, so these are the different fishes. Okay, so please try to make this program in the Scratch software. Okay, so feel free if you have any problem, any doubt, any query, so feel free to contact me. Okay, I am feeling very happy to help you out. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.